Oh hey, what's up? It's Will. And today, I'm gonna show you how I live. Yeah. Some people don't think I'm brushing my hair. But if I didn't, this is what my hair would look like in the mornings. There's nothing better than a good hot bath. I love photography. I'm really good at Xbox games. This game's so stupid. I love touch slams.
Hey Will,
What?
you'd look a lot more serious doing what you're doing if you took your underwear and your drawers.
Alright, I'll keep that in mind.
I love glasses. But never mind them.
Didn't know that.
I love you. I'm really good at skateboarding. I'm alright at skateboarding. So, thanks for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed getting to know me a little bit better.